When we're using a feeler gauge, the first thing we need to do is make sure that they're in good condition and pretty clean. And if I open up this set, you can see that at some point these have gotten badly corroded. And one of the problems with the corrosion is in this area here where the corrosion is, this is actually going to be thicker than the rest of the gauge and can lead to errors. The other thing is the rough surface right here where the corroded surface is ruins the feel as you're putting the feeler gauge in. So it's not recommended you use feeler gauges that are in this condition. I have another set right here that we can use. And of course, here we have a cleaner set. Again, this is an imperial set. And this set goes up to 25 thousandths of an inch. Now, if I'm measuring gaps less than 25 thousandths of an inch, I can use a single foil here, which is always the preferred way to use feeler gauges. You can measure gaps that are larger than that by stacking these foils together. But every time you stack these together, there's always a possibility that you get some dirt or some damage to it, and that'll give you a bad reading. One way to get around that is, once you've taken the reading, is to check it with a micrometer to check the actual thickness rather than just add up all the numbers. In fact, when you're measuring thick gaps like this, I prefer to use my micrometer to measure this, so I don't have to go through the difficulty of making all the math to add all the numbers up. So when you're using multiple foils, good idea to use a micrometer. Wherever possible, you should always use the minimum number of foils possible to measure your gap.